Hello students. In this video, let's explore some essentials in geometry: perimeter, area, and volume. First up, perimeter. This is simply the total distance around a shape's boundary and is denoted by p. For example, if you have a rectangle with sides of 4 cm and 6 cm, its perimeter would be 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 equals 20. You'll usually see perimeter measured in units like centimeters, cm, or meters, m. Some of the formulas for perimeters of shapes: perimeter of rectangle equals 2 into L plus B, perimeter of square equals 4 into sides, perimeter of circle equals 2r. Now, let's talk about area, the amount of space inside a shape, noted as A. Some of the formulas for areas of shapes: area of rectangle equals L into B, area of square equals side square, area of circle equals r square. You can find the area of a shape by counting squares on a grid or using formulas for specific shapes. It's typically measured in square units like square centimeters, cm squared, or square meters, m squared. Finally, volume is the space a 3D object occupies, often measured in cubic units like cubic centimeters, cm cubed. Related to volume is capacity, which tells us how much a container can hold. Surface area, on the other hand, measures the total area covering the outside of a 3D shape, also in square units. Here's a question for you. If a square has a side of 5 cm, what would its perimeter be? Share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.